Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to solve time and work questions within 30 seconds with the help of shortcut methods. So if you are preparing for any placement examination like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, then this video is going to help you a lot. We have covered basic to advanced level each type of questions, even based on alternate days, efficiency based, right? And then sharing basis. So each and every problem has been discussed. So let us start with the question number 1. Pratik can complete a piece of work in 20 days and Garima can complete a work in 30 days. If they work together, in how many days they can finish the total work? So 60 divided by 3 plus 2, 5, that means 12 days. So 12 days will be the correct answer. Even 10 seconds will be more than sufficient for this problem. But I will teach you. So I am going to use here LCM technique. Okay. Now, what you have to do, so we have to take the LCM here. Now, if somebody is not good at taking LCM, no problem, don't worry. You can assume a number which is divisible by both. I will teach you both the things. Okay. Now LCM. So if you'll see the LCM, 2 10 ja and 2 15 ja, right? And 5 2 ja and 5 3 ja. So 5 2 are 10 and 10 into 6 is 60, right? Okay, now. And then 60 divided by 20. Sir, why we are doing that? You will get the clarity. Don't worry, okay? And 60 by 30. Now, so friends, once you take the LCM, that becomes our work, okay? So once you take the LCM, that becomes our work. It will work in every kind of problem. So that's what I have taken all the types of problem. Now 60 by 20 will be 3 and 60 by 30 will be 2, and this will become our efficiency. So what are all these terms? It is quite confusing. Don't worry. See, first thing what you did, you took a LCM, right? Okay, and LCM will nothing but it will become your work. Okay, now, so what we did, 60 divided by 20, 60 divided by 23, and 60 divided by 30, it is 2. So what is this 3 and 2? Efficiency. Now what is efficiency? The meaning of efficiency is Pratik can complete 3 work in a day, and the meaning of efficiency of Garima here, Garima can complete 2 work in a day. Total work is 60 and divided by 3 plus 2, because they're asking, so if they work together, then P can complete 3 work in a day and G can complete 2 work in a day. So total in one day, they will complete 5 work. Total work is 60, 60 by 5, it will be 12 days, and you will be able to mark the answer here. Okay. Now, sir, beginning you told that you can assume any value. Then how it will work? Okay, no problem. So suppose in your mind it is coming that 120, right? So I told you can even assume a number which is divisible by both. So 26, right? So this will become our work once you assume a number or you take a LCM. Now, once 20 divided by 20 is 6 and 120 divided by 30 is 4. We got the efficiency. That means Pratik can complete 6 work in a day and Garima can complete 4 work in a day. Together, if they will work, then 6 plus 4, 10 work they will do. And total work is 120. So 120 by 10, that means they're going to take 12 days. So even if you take LCM or you assume any value, your answer will remain same, no problem. Then, sir, why we are taking LCM? If you take LCM, the number will be small because LCM is least common multiple and your calculation will be also small, right? Okay. Now, question number 2. So question number 2, if A can do a piece of work in 30 days, okay, and A plus B can do a work in the same piece of work in 10 days, okay, now, then in how many days B alone can do the same piece of work? Okay, now, sir, how should we solve this? So, if you want to solve any question in time and work, right, any question in time and work, then what you have to keep in mind that we need efficiency, okay? So, if we have the efficiency, we will be easily able to solve that. How to get that efficiency? Okay, now let us see. So friends, we will take the LCM. LCM of this will be nothing but 30, or assume a smallest number which is divisible by both. That will become our work. Now, 30 by 31 and 30 by 10, it is 3. We got the efficiency. Efficiency of A is 1 and efficiency of A plus B is 3. Now, if A is 1, what I will put at the place of B so that it will become total 3? So definitely 2. That means the efficiency of B we have got, efficiency of B is 2. Now they're asking, in how many days B alone can do the same piece of work? B in one day can do 2 work. So for completing 30 work, B will be taking 15 days and 15 days will become your correct answer, right? Okay, now, friends, A, B, C. So A, B, C. A can complete a work in 12 days. B can complete a work in 15 days. C can complete a work in 20 days. in how many days they complete the same work together. Now, assume a number which is divisible by all three. In my mind, it is coming 60. That becomes our work. Now, 60 by 12, 5, 60 by 15, 4, and 60 by 23. That means A can complete 5 work in a day, B can complete 4 work in a day, and C can complete 3 work in a day. If all three work together, they will be able to complete 12 work in a day. Total work is 60. 60 by 12, it is nothing but 5 days. So you will be able to solve the questions within 30 seconds itself. As I said, I have covered all type of questions. You do not have to worry at all. Now, friends, one more thing I wanted to tell you. So you subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon, because we are putting a lot of effort in creating the shortcuts and the content for you. Now, second thing, friends, if you're preparing for any placement examination and if you're not able to clear round one, then we have started aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop by Pratik sir for all companies, and you will be getting the certificate also. Now, so any company like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, any company, aptitude, okay, TCS digital, friends, here basic to advanced level, and the price is only 199 rupees. So even if this is your first class, you are able to understand time and work. In the similar way, even every question you will be able to understand, right? So start date 2nd of August. Tomorrow it is going to start, and the price is only 199 rupees. Daily, if you are having 1 tea outside, the price will be lesser than that, right? So here 199 rupees for 2 weeks, right? So it is even less than 20 rupees. So do enroll now. The link is in description. Classes starting from tomorrow. If you miss the classes, recordings will be available, right? And live session will be there. Each and every doubt will be cleared, and all latest question of 2023 will be solved in the classrooms. You can attend the classes on apps as well as website. So this is a wonderful golden opportunity. Only in 200 rupees, I'm going to give you so much. The link is in description. Okay. Now, so friends, question number 4. So A can do 1/2 work in 16 days, right? So A is able to do 1/2 of the work in 16 days. Friends, it is very, very simple. See, half work you are able to do in 16 days. So the complete work you will be able to do in how many days? Sir, 32 days. That means what we are doing, we are multiplying with 2, right? So 16 into 2, 32 days. Now, same thing. So B can complete 1/4 of the work, 1/4 of the work in 24 days, right? So one work in how many days? One work in how many days? So what we had done here, see, we multiplied 2 with 16. So we'll multiply 4 with 24. That means 96 days, right? So this you will be easily able to do it. Friends, if your work is half, right? So half work in 16 days. So full work, that means your time will increase. Your time will increase means you have to multiply 16 into 2. 1/4 work, like 25% of the work in 24 days. So if you want to do complete work, then your time will increase. So we have to multiply by 4. Now they're asking, in how many days can they do 3/4 of the job working together? Anyway, the first thing what we will do, the first thing we will do is we will take the LCM. Nothing else you have to do in time and work, right? Because we have to find out efficiency. Now, LCM of this, so you can assume a number which is divisible by both. So 32 into 3 is 96, okay? So 96 became our work. Now 32 3 times and 96 1 time. We got the efficiency also, okay? Now, they are telling, or they're asking, in how many days, okay, they can do 3/4 of the job working together. So total work is 96, but they are telling by 3/4 of the work only you have to do. And who has to do? In how many days can they? They both together. So A can complete 3 work in a day, B can complete 1 work in a day. Together they will be able to complete 4 work in a day. So 3/4 of the work, 96 is the total work. 3/4 means nothing but 3/4. And here total is, so total they are able to do 4 work in a day. So 96 into 3 divided by 4 will come down into 4. This is 16. 16 6 ja 96. So 6 into 3, 18 days. So 18 days will be the correct answer. So like this, shortcut techniques will be discussed in the 2 weeks workshop class. So I recommend for everyone. Okay, now, sir, this kind of problems how we will do? A plus B can do it in 12 days. Okay, B plus C can do it in 15 days. And C plus A can do it in 20 days. Okay, now, friend, definitely on YouTube, I cannot take all the types of problem, right? Because, and all the questions which has been asked in the exam, I can take only the questions which, I mean, the type of questions and which is important, right? But if you want all question, that will be done in the workshop itself. Now, so assume a number which is divisible by all three. I could see 60 here, and that becomes our work. Okay, now, so this question is little tricky, because here A plus B can do a work in 12 days, B plus C 15 days and C plus A in 20 days. Now 12 5s are 15 4s are and 23s are. This became our efficiency. Okay, this became our efficiency. Now friend, but this efficiency if you'll see, so this is efficiency of A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. See, if I will add, then A plus B, B plus C and C plus A, right? And this will become total 12. So, but what they're asking, if A and B, C and if A, B and C work together, then they will complete the same work. But here, 2 times A is working, 2 times B is working, 2 times C is working, right? So you are able to figure it out, right? But they are asking A plus B plus C will be able to finish the work in how many days? That means we need the efficiency of A plus B plus C. But what we have here, 2 into A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C will become what? 12 by 2, that is nothing but 6. Okay. Now, so see, in the question, whatever they are asking, we need efficiency for them. Now, total work is 60. And who has to complete? A plus B plus C. That means divide by 6. So they will be taking 10 days, right? Because A plus B plus C together can do 6 work in a day. Total work is 60. So 60 by 6 is nothing but 10. Next problem, question number 6. So A and B can finish a work in 8 days and 6 days respectively. If A and B work on alternative days, so this alternative days problem, no, it's a little tricky problem, but you will be able to do, because any problem efficiency is very, very important. Okay. So if A and B can finish a work in 8 days and 6 days respectively, so first thing is we will take the LCM, or we will assume a number which is divisible by both. In my mind, it is coming 24, because 24 is divisible by 8 by 3 times and 24 by 6 4 times. This is my efficiency. Okay. Now, what happens, friends? Please try to understand. So what happens? A and B works on alternative days. Means today A is working, then tomorrow B, then A, then B, then A, then B, then AB, like this. It is keep happening. Okay. Now, so friends, A can complete how many work in a day? 3. B can complete how many work in a day? 4. That means in 2 days, A will complete 3 and 4, 7 work. Okay. Then again 3, 4, 7 work. Then again 3, 4, 7 work, right? 3, 4, 7 work. That means 7, 7, 7. 21 work already they have completed. Total work is 24. So next day who will work? A. And A can complete a work in how many days? So A in 1 day can complete 3 work. So next day they will be the A will be completing 3 work. That means 24 work is completed. How many days they will take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If they're working alternatively, they will be able to complete the work in 7 days. So option 2 will become the correct answer. So alternatives problem is also not tough if you have basic clear. Now, A, B and C can do a work in 6 days, 8 days and 12 days respectively. Now, without thinking anything, so take the LCM or assume a number that comes to my mind is 24, 6 4ja, 8 3ja and 12 2ja. This is my efficiency. Okay, now doing that work together, they get a total amount of 1350 rupees. What is the share of B? Now, so friends, whenever they're asking the question based on shares, right? So the amount will be divided in efficiency ratio. Always keep that in mind. So the amount will be divided in the efficiency ratio. So efficiency is what? Now we have got efficiency of A, B, C is 4 is to 3 is to 2. Now what is the total amount? 1350. And they're asking the share of B. So in front of B it is 3 divided by total. So total is 4 plus 3 plus 2. So 1350 into 3 divided by 9. So this is 15 times 150 into 3, 450, right? Friends, all the problems in time and work, all the problems will be based on your efficiency. Okay. Now, so friends, before we do question number 8, I again wanted to tell you, so if you really want to crack aptitude reasoning in any of the examination, then this workshop is definitely going to help you. So please do enroll, right? So basic to advanced recording will be always available and the starting date is 2nd of August 2023. Okay. Now, friend, question number 8. So 4 men and 6 boys can do a work in 5 days. Okay. Now, friends, 6 men and 4 boys can do the same piece of work in 4 days. Then in how many days 8 men plus 12 boys will be able to do? Now, so friends, basically, if we'll try to see the first and third line, so it is nothing but multiplied by 2. And this is also nothing but multiplied by 2. So what you have to do, so take the number of days and divide it by the multiplication factor, and it will become 2.5 days. That will become your answer. Option 2 will become the correct answer, right? So like this shortcut techniques, we will be discussing with you in the workshop, aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop, and you will be also getting the certificate. So we have covered type of question in time and work. Definitely the level, I mean, there'll be hell lot of questions on one topic. You can say 10,000 questions will be there on one topic. We can only do is all the type of questions. We can understand the concepts. Efficiency based questions, some of the questions has not been covered here. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best.